Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Monday, start of the week, and after market open, it actually went down. At one point, NVDA was down more than 1%. Now it's recovering a little bit. It's still down slightly less than 1%. But coming back to my portfolio, on Friday when I went for my cruise, Amazon actually triggered a sell, so I went in. The weird thing is that Microsoft also triggered a sell, right, which I went in also. So basically Microsoft, I have one on the long side and one on the short side. Let's jump in and I'll show you. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. You can see overall my portfolio after adding up is a running profit of 108, slightly better than the previous time I update you, which is on Thursday, right? Because Friday I was on cruise. Enjoyed myself a very good break from the markets and enjoy Friday, Saturday, Sunday on my cruise trip. But coming back to the markets, JPM went deeper into profits, and also BAC and as well as BA also bounced back, right? So that's why overall my swing trades all added up now is a running profit of 108, right? Okay, so my equity is roughly 4,007 plus a little bit, but coming back to here, Amazon actually triggered a sell, and I did the trade, right? Okay, so the good thing about the profit signal is that we can actually do see the stop loss, entry price, take profit, right? Okay, and I set it to a risk to reward of 1:2, right? Okay, so if I lose a smaller amount. When I win a bigger amount, right? And one thing to note is that I have a long trade on Microsoft over here. I do have a short trade on Microsoft also. So one buy, one sell, right? Okay. But either way, ideally, is that it goes down, take my profit, didn't hit my stop loss on the buy side, and after that you rebound all the way, right? Okay, let's see how it goes. But basically this is for Microsoft, I have one buy trade and one sell trade, like what you see over here, right? So Microsoft, there's one buy and there's one sell over here, right? Okay, and the buy one is now in a profit of $9 and the sell one is roughly break even, right? So overall, basically some went into more profit, some went into less profit, some went I think mainly the banking stocks went better, went into more profits, right? Okay, Tesla also doing quite well, and BA as well, right? Okay, so Apple also okay, right? So overall pretty okay. One thing to note is that on Friday, Visa actually triggered a sell, but I was not around. So today when I came online, it actually hit the stop loss, which I avoided, right? Because Friday I didn't trade. So yeah, I mean, blessing in disguise, right? But definitely if I'm around, I would have traded and took a small loss, right? Okay. But I'm still waiting for it to trigger again. Maybe the next time it trigger, I will take the trade, right? Overall, like I say, the indices is quite tight range. You can see over here for S&P. NVDA is also down quite a bit. At one point, like I say, it was down about 1%, right? Recently, NVDA is not performing so well among the three major indices. And Dow Jones, as usual, normally don't follow the overall market. Why? Because it's only 30 component stocks in Dow Jones, and it's slightly up to date, right? Bucking the trend from S&P and NVDA, right? Okay, so I would say the best measurement of the overall market is S&P because it measures 500 stocks. And it's quite tight range, so I would say overall market is quite quiet today, muted today, and from my open trades, open position, you can see some are getting more profits for me and some are not, right? Okay, So overall still quite okay, right? Even Tesla, you can see over here, previous on Friday it was much more in profit. Now it's coming back down, but still in profit, right? Because my entry price was somewhere here. Remains much to be seen how these swing trades will perform, because I haven't closed them yet. Keeping my fingers crossed also, and hopefully I suspect there might be pretty much sideways movement in terms of the overall market, in terms of S&P, Dow Jones, or even NASDAQ, right? Okay, quite tight range kind of movement for this week, right? At least for this week. It might go up a little bit or go down a little bit, right? Okay, that's my view of the markets. I could be wrong, but that's my insights on how I'm going to trade the market in my own personal portfolio, right? Okay, so that's all from me, and I'll update you again if Visa do trigger or any other of my swing trades do trigger stop loss or take profit, right? I'll update you as we go along. See you tomorrow, and happy trading.
Hope you love the video and learn something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.